So my name's Andrea Cooper. I'm a cellular immunologist. I'm from the University of Leicester in the UK, but I spent most of my career in the United States, and I've worked on many of our neglected pathogens. I've worked on leishmania, and I've worked on tuberculosis. And I look at vaccine design, but I also look at the underpinning cellular molecular mechanisms of tuberculosis. So Validate is just a fantastic organization. It's a group of people, like-minded people, but broad-minded people. We started out a long time ago. We were at a meeting, Helen, Raiko, myself, and others, which was designed to start, which was part of a funding opportunity from the Medical Research Council, asking for networks, and they were asking for vaccine-based networks. We were excited to get together because we were going to do the really hard pathogens. Yeah. And so my idea for the name of the network was the really hard pathogens. Fortunately, Helen and another Helen gave it a better name and drove the whole process. And I've tagged along ever since, getting all the benefits and doing not very much of the hard work. Validate's critical. And why is it critical? Because it actually allows people the space and the confidence and the security of saying yes to both themselves and to their work. So we're not exclusive, we're not selective. We allow people to come to Validate, be part of the Validate network, and really contribute regardless of who they are, where they live, and really, as long as they've got an interest in vaccines for our target pathogens, we love to have them. So it's inclusive. Yeah, so the idea behind Validate is that we cross-pollinate between leishmaniasis, tuberculosis, leprosy, Burkholderia, and so we're really looking at why these diseases are similar, why they're different, and are there solutions to one disease that can be used for another disease, and are there problems with one disease that we can use to probe the problems of another disease? So that's the real element, and because we bring together people who have got expertise in those three diseases, and because we've got expertise across a range of activities, then those things come together and build on each other. And again, saying yes to people and saying yes to their projects allows us to build knowledge and build interactions and build collaborations that then are much more than the sum of their parts. And so we identify through our fellowships and through our pump priming, we look at the candidate and we think about where they are, what they're doing, what they want to do, and we try to say yes at any point. And that allows them to be brave, allows them to think further than they would normally be thinking. And we then do that in a safe environment. So we're supportive. They have the benefit of our expertise, but then we have the benefit of their great ideas. So I think the success for me is this really broad inclusivity, bringing people in from all over the world and allowing, in fact, I'm most excited about our fellows and how they've progressed. So we started some time ago. Those fellows are now progressing. They're getting into good careers, and we've made those. Well, we helped support those changes in their career paths. And I think we've got to keep doing that, and we've got to maintain a focus on saying yes to those people and giving them support and allowing the excellence of a broad range of brains to come to play on these really hard problems. What doesn't get enough exposure is actually the work done by the people planning, organizing, supporting, and allowing all of the scientific brains to come together in a way that's the professional support for the network is absolutely critical. And so I think it's important that we make sure that that's acknowledged and expressed, not only in some flowers at the end of the sessions, but in true career progression for those involved in the professional support of the network.